Hey, good morning. Today I'm going to Kalaupapa for the annual Christmas Audubon bird count. And we're primarily, I think, looking at shorebirds and seabirds and stuff that we see off Kalaupapa Peninsula. Last night was not a very good night. I missed a shipment, so kind of sucks. I lost out on $120. And I sacrificed that so that I could sleep. But with all the loud music and Michael Jackson blaring all over the place, was not a good time. So I slept, and I woke up, and I just couldn't get back to sleep until they were done with the shipment. And the other thing is that it's a full moon, I think. So all the birds go crazy, and there's really loud, all the Hawaiian stilts. So it's sunrise now, and I should be getting picked up in a few minutes. So just wanted to make a short little video, tell you what I'm doing. Kalaupapa is like one of the more isolated spots in Hawaii. You can only go there if you're invited. So game plan for the day is get picked up, go to the trailhead, hike down, should take about an hour, and what else? And when we get down to the bottom, we'll meet our sponsor, and then we'll go to the office, pick up the permits, and be on our way to count birds. All right. So there's Kalaupapa, or there's the trailhead, and that's where we're going to be doing the bird count. So we just made it to the bottom, and hopefully we're gonna get to an opening so I can actually show you the beach. Yeah, here we go. And you can see a little bit of the settlement. Oh, gosh. So, light up. Over there across the way is Kalaupapa settlement. Yeah. So let's just keep going with the rest of everybody so we can check in. It's really awesome. Here are the sea cliffs. I just looked back and I was just like, oh my god, it's the sea cliffs, have to show everybody. Alright. So our group finally made it. Now we're at Kalaupapa. We're waiting for our guide to show up and take us to get our permits and everything, but here's just a quick look around from the bottom. Some sea cliffs and the ocean. There's the rest of the group. Out of ways there's a trawler that's recovering the airplane wreck. I don't know if you can see it, but I'll try to get another picture of it when I head back up. But yeah, this is pretty cool. It's exciting. Not too many people get to come down this far and go count birds. Yay, birds!